Hello guys, so this is the trade I'm in right now. So I want to explain you guys how I've been able to take these entries, hold these entries. Look at my entry in card. You see, this is the daily. Look at where I was. I took the trade in card because I know that the trade was going up. And look at how I stuck trade right here. This is GG, excuse me. This is GG. You see how I stuck trade because I know what the price is doing. So, and this is right now I'm in rare for Aussie, but I think it's gonna go down. I'm waiting to see what price will do, but I think it's gonna go down. I got some entry right here, and I got some entry right here too. So let me explain you guys how I have been able to take all this trade, all the entry, because a lot of people have been asking me how I get my entry. So I'm gonna explain you guys.
All right, guys. Hello, everyone. A lot of people have been asking me how I get my entries and how I trade. So today I'm gonna try to mark up this chart to show you usually how I get my entries. So guys, pay attention. This is very important because you can like know the market direction, but you're not gonna know how to get in the market. So you'll be losing. You know where the market is going, but you're not able to take trade, or you lose your confidence because you keep losing because your entry get cut. You feel me? So pay attention and you're gonna understand how I get my entries. So this is Gbpusd, right? So I'm on the daily. Let's go into the weekly. So this is the weekly. From this perspective, I see that price is going down, so this is a downtrend obviously. So what I can do, let me try to put my support and resistance, right? I mean, this place is not important for me right now. I know this was the top, but it's not important for me right now. Okay, this is what I draw. I like to take the horizontal ray because it let me know why I put the line here. Because if I come back to see here, I'll know that I put the line because of this resistance. But if it's a line, I have to go to see, like it's confusing for me. So I like the horizontal ray so that it stop here. When it stop here, I know exactly why I put the line here. You feel me, guys? So here's the thing. This is the first. This is the first zone, and right here the second one. Okay, right here the second one. Let's go. Let's go. Right here the third one. Okay. Because of this, I put it there because of this one. This week. Okay, and then let me see. The next one is gonna be. The next one is gonna be this one. Okay, this is the next one. I can put the next one too, right here, somewhere here, but it's not important for me right now. Okay, you see, you see, guys, you see how it was accurate. Look at, you see this, you see, you see, perfect. So now let's see what is happening right here. This is what is happening. Okay. All right. So Now what I can see from here, people is going to touch this line. A price, excuse me, I said people. Price is most likely going to touch this line and then start to drop eventually, guys, because you have to be humble with the market. You have to be humble. You can't just say something is gonna happen and it is gonna happen because you say it. No, even if you're sure, it can, another thing can happen. It's not any time that what you see in the market is gonna happen. No, it's not any time. So you can be sure about something, but keep your minds open and keep your eyes open, because you can do the reverse. The price can do the reverse. So this is the level that I think that this will touch and then start to drop. If it's gonna be this candle, I don't know. Maybe this candle will go to touch it, and then another one will come, and then the third one will start to drop. I don't know. So, but I know that here is the entry. Here might be the entry, right? So this is the daily. Let's go into the 4 hour. And one thing I want you guys to understand is, and a lot of people don't see that. Understand, guys. GBP USD, OZ, JG, USD card. Those are the pair that every time is gonna move with double tap. Call it whatever you want. Double tap, M formation, double bottom. Call it whatever you want. Whatever you want, guys. But these pairs are the most that moves with double tap, or call it whatever you want. So let me show you an example. Look at this. Look at this double tap. Look at how nice was this double tap. So right here will be my entry. Period, guy. Right here will be my entry, and I will never get out of this trade, because I know that price was about to go down here, and then price stop here and then go up. Even if I was in the trade somewhere here and I get cut, I promise, guy, I would have get in the trade right here and then take the trade to drop. You feel me? And I won't be scared of this, because I know that price is going down again. Price will never go like this. Price is going down, but this is just a retracement. It's just a retracement. If you can see, look at here. Price come here. Look at this. Price come here, retrace, come here, retrace, come here, retrace, and then boom. You feel me? So this is what is happening. It's not that hard. Some people don't spend time with the market, in the market. That you have to spend time. You have to spend time, and don't focus on the trade you have right here. If you are in the trade right here, don't focus on that, because you take the trade. You take the trade because you were sure you know what you're doing, right? I mean, nobody's gonna be 100% sure of what is doing in the market, or what is going on in the market. Nobody's gonna be sure, but as a trader, you have to be willing to take risk, right? Like for me, if I see this double tap and this was here, because it's easy to see that this is double tap now that everything is make up, so it's easy, right? But if you was about to take trade, there will be more. You will be like more stressed. There will be more stress. So you will be like, is it a real double tap, or is the price is going up? You don't know, because you will be confused. This is live trading, right? But for me as a trader, I know that to make my money I have to take risk. So if I have to take my risk right here, this is a support, and this green candle come, I'm gonna be really mad. I'm gonna be really mad, because this is a decision of a bad trader. Because as a good trader, you can never come to get entry on such a big support. You feel me? You can get entry here for sale on such a big support. Then you're gonna be like a really bad trader. If you wanna take trade, you have to trade on the resistance, since you getting the trade for a bearish movement, right? So for me, if I get in the trade right here, let's say I get in the trade right here, price come to touch this support, and I get in the trade right here, and I put my stop loss right here, 34 or 35. Let's say 34, 35, and then price go up and then kick me out right here. I mean, I will never be mad against myself, and I'll be happy. Honestly, guys, I'll be happy with that, because like that was a decision. As a trader, I have to take decision to be able to make my money, and I took decision and I lose, and I'm okay with that because that was a good decision. But price didn't go into my direction, so I'm willing to lose that money. I mean, no offense, you feel me? But if I get in a trade right here, then I will be stressed because maybe I missed the move, so I want to catch something like here, right here, and then price start to go up. You feel me? I'll be really mad because that was a that would be like a big mistake. You feel me? So guys, this is the thing. As a trader, you have to be willing to take risks. But if you want to take risks, take the risk with the higher probability. You have to take risks with a higher probability that price will go in your direction. That way you won't gonna stress, because trust me, this market is really stressful. It's really stressful, and I don't think there is I don't think there is enough amount of money that is worth enough for you guys to lose your health because of money. You feel me? So you have to be careful. When you want to take trade, always be sure that you okay with the trade that you're taking. Don't take trade because you're going to people Instagram and you see that they are making tons of money and you want to make tons of money too. So you're getting a trade without knowing what you're doing. That way you're gonna be stressed. That way you're gonna lose your money. That way you're gonna be out of the market, because you have to understand, anytime you're gonna lose in this market, that's gonna affect your mindset. You're gonna be confused and you're gonna be like, do I really know how to trade? I think this thing is fake, because I've been losing money. I've been losing. I don't know why. I don't think this thing is true, because you're losing your confidence. So as a trader you will lose, but if you keep losing, you're gonna lose your confidence. That's why it's not only about money, guys. It's about the mindset. It's about confidence. If you keep losing, you're gonna lose your confidence, guys. So this is what I have to say about GBP. So this might be entry, because sometimes when you see the RSI like this, you are like, oh, this is gonna go up. No, 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 no. This RSI, this fucking RSI, excuse me, guys, this fucking RSI is a trick sometimes to take people money, guys. You can stay here for days and days and days, guys. I'm telling you. Look at here. This was here, right? So according to the move of the RSI, is when it's high, price have to go down. When it's down, price have to go up. According to that, normally here the RSI should come down like this and the price should come down. But look at how it kick people out, like you make a double tap. Look at, that's what I was telling. Price will always make a double tap, and most of time when there is a big support or a big resistance that price have to break, price use a double tap to break that support or that resistance, guy. You have to understand that. Look at this double tap. Look at how nice was this double tap. Price always move with double tap. Look at here too. Look at this one. Look at. You see, not only that, guy, not only that. Oh shit, sorry, guys. Not only that, look at, that was a double tap, right? I make this double tap, this one, two, three, four, right? But look at here too. One, two, three, four, five. You see, that was a big double, a small double tap in a big double tap. So you have to pay attention. For me, if I see this right here and I see this coming here, I can get in the trade right here, but my stop loss is always 30 to 35, 35 to 40 pips. So if I get in the trade right here, and that was 35, so stop loss get tricky. You feel me? So I'll be out of the game. But I promise, guy. I promise, guy. If I see the price, as soon as I see the price come back right here and make this double tap, Maybe even if I didn't get in the trade on this candle, I'll get in the trade on this candle. On this candle, I'll get in that trade, guys. You have to understand that. So this is how the chart move. This is what I can say about GBP USD. It's so simple, yeah. You don't need to have things so complicated, like, and the way you can trade. Things are easy. Things are easy. Sometimes we used to like put lot of stress to like push ourselves to do things or take decision that is gonna make us lose our money, because it's not easy. You feel me? It's not easy when you're trying to see something that doesn't exist in the market, guys. Sometimes you're so obsessed, you want the money so badly that you see things that doesn't exist in the market, guys. So be careful, guys. That's crazy sometimes. So this is the 4 hour time frame. There is a trend line right here. So price might touch this and come back like this with a long week. I don't know. Price can do that too, or price might stay here. Price may stay here and then start to drop. I don't know how it's gonna play out, but I know this is gonna be a sell for sure, guys. This is gonna be a sell. So this was for GBP USD. You see this? This was the double top that I was talking about. Look at how nice was this. Look at, you see, nice. You right here. Price kicked me out right here, right? And I get my entry. I get another entry here. I was in the trade here. If I was in the trade here, look at 380, 380 p. Some people can do millions of dollars with 380 p. It depends on your lot size. It will depend on your lot size. So that's it, guys. That's it. I think price will go farther than this resistance, but for now, this is the target. This is the target for now. That's why I have only this, because I don't like to have a lot of line in the chart. And this is one thing too, guys. Having a lot of line in your chart is gonna make you confused. You're gonna be like so confused that you like the move that you was waiting for is gonna happen, but you won't be able to see because you have too much thing going on in your chat, guys. You want the money. I know you want the money so bad, guys. So I've been there. That's why I'm talking about it like this. I've been there, guys. I've been there. So let me show you this and NZD. NZD too move with double tap. NZD move with double tap, guys, for sure. NZD move with double tap, and Aussie move with double tap. Look at this is what I was saying. You see, this is live, guys. This is live. I'll mark up this. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in the daily or the weekly, but easy. Take it easy, guys. So look at. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me put it here. Let me put it here. Let me put the line here. Look at this line. Look at how easy was this trade. This is how I trade, guys. You see, double tap is not always gonna be perfect. No, double tap will not always be perfect, but you have to train your eyes to see it. Look at this. Look at this double tap. Look at 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Boom. You feel me? It break the support of the double top and then come to test it right here. So sometimes when I miss a double top, sometimes when I miss a double top, I used to take the double top in the retest of the support. Price is always gonna come back to, I mean, most of the time price is gonna come back to test the main support of the double top. So when we come to test it here, for sure, guys, if I miss this entry, I'm gonna take the trade here. And now look at free money. This is what I call easy money. Easy money, guys. So price will go from here. The price went from here to here, 169. And usually when I take trade with 75, 7.5 lot. So 7.5 is 75 bucks. 75 bucks times 169. Oh my goodness, 12,000 guys. That will be 12,000. So let's go and look at this. This is a kind of big double tap too. Look at this is a kind of big double tap. You see, for price to come back here. So eventually guys, this will come right here. So how much pip is this? How much pip will be this? Let me see. 240. That would be 240, like 250 to 240 guys. That's crazy. So if I make 70 times 250, let's say 240, 70 times 240, 18,000 guys. This is cool, right? And I can get another entry if price drop to come here. I can take another entry somewhere around here, because this is a support. If you break this support, look at this is a big support right here. Look at this support. This is a support. Look at easy. Don't cry in your chat, guys. Take it easy. It takes time to understand, but when you understand, become easy for you. So don't be mad at you if you just starting and you take some losses because you don't really understand what is going on. Just learn, and you're gonna be like you won't gonna be like, nobody can say he will never take a loss, but I mean you're gonna be good. You're gonna be good, and you can make a living out of this, guys. So here's the thing. I don't like to have things complicated. From here to here, from here to here, that was one target, right? Now from here to here, one target. And what you can do in a case like this, if you get in the trade right here, this is first entry. Now price will come back, will come somewhere around here and test this one. If it tests it, get your entry right here again. And now your target will be here for both entry, right here, and that will be how much the first will be, the second will be 150, right? 150, and then the first one will be 240. The first one will be 240. So 240, let's see, 240 plus 150. This is 390 people. 390 guys. That's too much. I don't use a big lot size. If that was a big lot size, if I were using a big lot size, guys, I'll be making tons of money. But my lot size is between 65 to 75. So let's say 75. You see, it's gonna be 29,000 for only this move. This can happen in 2 days or 3 days. For only this move, I'm gonna be making like 29,000. You see how crazy is this, guy? It's crazy, right? So let's go into the. Let's try to go into the. I think this is where price cannot go further. This is where price have to sell, and I'm gonna explain you why, guys. This is entry. This is another entry, pure guy. This is entry. Understand that you have to. When you spend a lot of time in the market, you are able to see things that other people don't see, guys, because it's gonna be the way you try. Look at, and sometimes people don't understand. Look at this. This is a double tap. Look at even this guys, even this is a double tap, but you have to train your eyes. I I don't know how to say, like, I know the double tap now. I learned the double tap. So anytime I see a double tap, I know. And I cut this drawdown, this one, because of this double tap. As soon as I saw this double tap, I was in the trade to go down, and price went back, and price kicked me out, right? And I didn't take any trade, and I see this red, I saw this red candle. As soon as I saw this red candle, then I saw the move. I saw this. Look at one, right? Two, three, four, and then five. I say, oh my goodness, this is free money. This is free money. So it's like this: price break, right? It break the support of the double tap and come to test it right here. You have to train your eyes. If you train your eyes, you're gonna see this thing everywhere in the market, everywhere. Price never move without a double tap. Look at how nice was this double tap. Let me go into the 4 hour so you can see it. You can see it clearly. You can see what I'm trying to tell you. Hopefully I'm gonna see that. What is this trend? Oh no, let me go into the daily, and then I'll bring back my color sometime. Let me take this out. Price always move with a double tap. It can be in the 4 hour, in the daily, in the weekly, or in the monthly, but there is always gonna be a double tap visibility. Let's go into the hour. Yeah, hour. All right. So let's go back. So I went back to be able to see this in the 4 hour, because sometimes I can drum something and I ask the computer to, yeah, I ask the chart to show me that line only in a specific hours, only in the 4 hours, or only in the daily, or only in the weekly. That's why I wasn't able to see this in the 4 hours. So now I asked the chart to show me in the 4 hours. So now we will be able to see it in the 4 hours. So here's the thing. This is what I was talking about. Look at, look at the double tap. Look at. This was the double tap. Look at. I was in the daily, so I didn't run it well. So you see, this is what I was talking about. I even didn't come to the 4 hour to see it, but I was in the daily. But even in the daily, I was able to see that this was a double tap, guys. These are entry. If you see that I'm trying to spend a lot of time on this, is because I want you to know that this is entry. Period. This is entry. Anytime you're gonna see this, take the trade. Even if you lose your money, be sure, be happy with that, because you lose your money for a good reason, because this is a high probability for price to go down, or maybe if it's the reverse, for price to go up. So if I lose money right here, I'll be happy with that. I'll be glad to lose my money here. Yeah, I won't be ashamed of that. There is always gonna be this kind of double tap. So I saw it right here, because now I train my eyes to be able to see it. And when I go into the 4 hours, look at how, where is this thing? Look at how easy. Look at the double tap. And then when the double tap happen, look at this was a test. Look at price come to test here. So I got my entry right here. I'm telling you, I took this trade. That was like 17 August 2021. I was in this trade actually. I took the trade right here to go down, and this kicked me out, because I moved my stop loss here, and this kicked me out. I didn't lose anything, and this dropped. When it dropped, and I was like, wait a minute, this is a double tap, right? Okay, let me see. I'm looking for something to come to test here. And then when this one come to test here, I got in that trade, and then my entry was somewhere around here, and my stop was right here, 35. Period. My stop was there, and if the price went back there and kicked me out, I'll be okay with that. Okay, never obsessed. Okay with that loss. You feel me? Because this is the kind of setup I trade, and as a trader, I have to take risk. trading is a risk. You have to understand that. Even waking up and going to your 9 to 5 is a risk, because you can have accident on the road, right? So everything is a risk in life. You can be sitting and watching your chart and expecting to get anything from this market, guys. So I don't want this video to be too long, guys. Look at, even here, even price never ever move without double tap. Even here, this was a double tap. Look at this small double tap. If you want, I can go into the 1 hour time frame, and you guys will see like that this is a double tap too. This one too. Hopefully I'm gonna see it. Hopefully. Look at look at look at look at look at this. Look at this guy. Look at that's crazy, really. That's crazy. But you can see it if you don't train your eyes. You have to train your eyes so that you can see this kind of thing. This is a double tap. And look at something I wanna show you too. Look at here. Look at something that I wanna show you. So I was here, right, for this double tap, but look at here too. Look at this was another double tap. Look at this was another one. Look at, so this was the starting of the move. The starting of the move. You see, first double tap, come to test it, right? And not only testing, making a double tap too and drop. You see this? When you go into the smaller time frame, this one too, making a double tap and then drop. Always there always gonna be a double tap. And then right here, I'm expecting price to go down. Why? To go down from here for sure. Why? Because this one seems like a double tap, but I don't know. I have to wait for this candle to close so that I can be sure. This look like a double tap. Why? Because there was this one. This one was the first double tap, right? Drop. And sometimes price come back to test this level and then drop, right? And now this was the test. And what I can see from there is that this is trying to do a double tap to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then drop, right? Oh shit. Now the target is right here. But it's not gonna go choo 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 like this. No. It's gonna come back like this for sure, break this and come somewhere around here or here, and then go back to test it and start to drop to come here. Price will do that for sure. So this look like a double top, but not too sure. I have to wait 2 candle to close or 1 to close here, then I'm gonna be sure. Excuse me. So this is what I'm expecting. Look at even here, look at this double tap. Look at how nice was the double tap. And anytime guys, you're gonna see a double tap in a trend. This was uptrend. This was an uptrend, right? Anytime you're gonna see a double tap like this in an uptrend, you know that you have to know that the uptrend is gonna be like there is going to be more uptrend. Like the uptrend is the continuation of the uptrend, if I can say it like this. That will be a continuation of the uptrend. So anytime you see this, be sure get you some entry and then hold it, because it's gonna go really far. You see this, the uptrend start right here, and then look at this double tap, and look at another one right here. Look at train your eyes, guys. If you train your eyes to see this shade, promise guys, you're gonna be making money. And come back here, and then after that double tap again like this, and then boom. You feel me? 2, 1, 2, 3. You feel me? And this one was held and shoulder. If you see this, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You break the held and it break the 2 shoulder. Look at. break the resistance of the shoulder, and then come to take support on it. Look at, break it, take it for support, and then boom, now he's moving in double tap. First double tap, boom. You feel me? So easy, 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 guy. Easy, easy. Take it easy, guys. Some people are very mad because they're trying to trade and they can't. They keep losing. Get you guys. I mean, I'm tired. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna cut the video right here. But I show you my result, guys. I show you my result just for you to know, to know and understand that I'm sure I know what I'm doing in the market. And I mean, sometimes trading is boring because you take your position and you know where the market is going and you have nothing to do. So I come to do some video for you guys to show you, and I show you the way I trade. If you happy and if that means something for you and help you in, I don't know, but guys, you can give a thumbs to this video and then like it, share it if you want. But that's it, guys. Have a good one, and I'll come back for another entry, guys, for another entry lesson, and for the way I mark up the chart. You see, this one too was simple, and and this should be my entry. Look at, this should be my entry, but I think price already tested right here. But I'm losing. I'm waiting for this to close. If this continue to go up, then I might be waiting for the price, for price to reach somewhere here before it start to drop. But I don't think price will go there. So this have to close. I have 2 hours left. So if this close in the red right here, or it can stay here and the second one will come and then come like this, come down. So I'll be waiting. Trade is also patient. Trade means patience. The other name of trading is patience. So guys, talk to you later. I have a lot of pairs that I can go over, but the video will be too long. The video will be too long. That's why I'm trying to cut the video. This is up. Gold is going up for sure. Look at, let me show you something really quick. Let me show you. This is gold, right? See what gold is doing. Easy. You will see what gold is doing. Yeah, price downtrend, right? Break it, come back to test it right here, test it, went up, test it, and test it. And what you can see from here is this. See? Look at this big double tap. I was in this trade from here and I get out here. That was crazy. Crazy. I caught this trade here and I was telling to people when this was happening. I said this is going up, but this is a big move. So eventually this will come back to make a double tap. And then I didn't trade here because it was a little bit like messy. So I went and I saw that the price come back here with this red. I said, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is free money. And I get in that trade for here. My entry was so perfect. No, nothing. No, like a trick to kick people out here. No, nothing. And I hold my trade. I was so happy with this trade. And when it reached here, I took my money and I ran away. So right now, this is what is happening. Downtrend, cut it, come here, and then come back to test it. Not only that, when price come back to test here, it went out and it went up and tested. So how you can see from here, what you can see is a big double tap. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going 5. This is what price is doing right now. But not only that, this is what I see. This is my point of view. This is what price is doing. Look at it. This is what price is doing. So price is coming right here, right there, period, guys. This was the first double tap, so price have to fit this place. But this is the double tap that price is using to move right now. This one is gonna come here, drop a little bit, and then come here. So for sure price will be around here, and then from there, honestly, I don't know what price will be doing. Maybe, you see, this was uptrend, this was an uptrend, and price come down and make this double tap. That can be a continuation, or maybe it can just be this. Like, let me remove all these. Or it can just be this. I mean, for sure right now price is going here. For sure right now price is going here. Price is going to reach here because of this. Feel me? Price is going to reach here for sure, guys. That is sure. But from there, I don't know what price is going to be doing, because if you can see, like I said, this was a price is going up, right? And price come down to test this area and then make this big W. That can mean that price is going up, and up. You feel me? But at the same time, uptrend right here, right? And then price come to break price break it, come to test this. He can be coming back just to test it again. You feel me? Price can be coming back right here, just right here, like this. Let me show you some. Like, price break it, right? Price was coming right this and break this. So now what it's about to do is to touch it, right? Come down, touch it again for a big W, and then drop. Feel me? If you drop from here, that will be a big M formation, then to go up like this. Simple as that. And if he does that, if price do this, I mean, if price does this, that's gonna mean like this. Like, this will be M formation or triple tap, call it whatever you want. This will be triple top, triple bottom, like period. You feel me? It will be like this. But it can also go up. So the way you can trade this to be comfortable with it, the way you can trade this, when price will reach here, exit. If you are in the trade from here, if price reach this level, take your money and run. Don't be greedy. If price break this and come to test it, if it tested, just wait. Don't get in that trade because price tested. Because everybody know gold can be like really tricky. So price can fake like he's like going up and then boom. You feel me? So if price break it and test it, wait for price to do like 1 or 2 candle in the daily or the weekly, in the daily or the 4-hour time frame, depending on how you trade. So wait for the retest, and then price will give you direction. If you see the direction, then get in. If you see the direction and you see that price is going up, my man, then you're gonna be making money, because price, the next level is gonna be right here. So now I can say, from what I can see here, I can see that there is 2 levels right now. This is a support, right? This is a support, period, guys. This is a support. So price is going here. You're gonna see, you can go to check in a few days. You're gonna see that price will play out the same way that I'm saying right now. This is a support right here. It break the support, it tested. This is how you call testing a support. Break it, test it, and then now he's going. If you're not comfortable, you can wait this to close up here, and then you're gonna get another one tomorrow and then go here. That will be how much pip. Let me see. From here, 470. That will be 400, around 470. So if you cut 470, and then after that you cut this 400, that will be 800 and something, guys. 800. It's crazy, crazy, buddy, crazy. I even don't know what to say, guys. This is crazy, 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 crazy. All right, guys, I don't want the video to be too long. I'm gonna leave it right here.